Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying exactly what you have and why it matters. Inspect the laptop SSD. Is it a 2, 5-inch SATA drive or an M, 2-module keyed for SATA or NVMe? Once done, note the interface, SATA Roman 3 versus PCIe NVMe, because you will need the correct adapter, slot, or cable. Make sure to gather a screwdriver, SATA cable, or M, 2 standoff, and a USB to SATA/M, 2 adapter for cloning or testing. This prevents dead ends before you begin physical installation. Next, connect and prepare the drive so it becomes usable in your PC. Install the drive into the PC. 2. 5. Into a bay with SATA cable. M2 into the motherboard slot with an M. 2 screw or wire and adapter card. Then clone your OS using a reliable tool or perform a fresh install. Align partitions and trim settings for SSD longevity. Finally, reboot into BIOS/UEFI, confirm the drive shows up, and set it as the primary boot device so the system boots from the new SSD. Finish by optimizing and verifying the SSD in your PC. After the system boots, install chipset and NVMe or SATA drivers, enable OSI if appropriate, and ensure trim is active for performance and longevity. Run a quick benchmark and secure mount the drive to prevent movement. If the drive is not detected, power down, reseat the SSD and cables, try the USB adapter to determine if the drive or slot is at fault, and check BIOS settings again. This one reseat test solves many failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.